Hey, what's going on everyone? The latest policy update by WhatsApp has already raised concern among users on the data collecting part. Where most of the users are worried about their data, our Indian government had already been working to build two messaging applications for their government employees as well as for users to prevent data from going to Facebook. So in this video we will tell you everything we know about Sandesh, a total made in India application built by the government of India. For your better understanding, we would recommend you to watch this video till the end. My name is Sobik, welcome to Phone Politics, let's begin. Before we jump right into the video, if you still not subscribed to Phone Politics, make sure you hit the subscribe button along with the bell icon to get notified about our upcoming videos. We upload videos in a regular basis. Sandesh, an Indian government alternative to WhatsApp and other messaging applications, has been launched by the National Informatics Center (NIC). The new platform is an upgrade to the existing Government Instant Application System (GIMS) that was developed to provide government officials with a WhatsApp-like communication app. The Sandesh app can be used both by government officials and individual users. It only requires a mobile number or government email ID for sign up. Once signed up, user can send and receive messages as well as create new groups or send multimedia content such as images and videos. Similar to WhatsApp and other major instant messaging applications, Sandesh, which means message in Hindi, says it has also end-to-end encryption communication. The app can be used for sending and receiving messages or sending images and videos between contacts. It also allows contact sharing and group chats. Further, users can also broadcast messages or set certain messages at their favorite. Sources in the government also confirm that a second app called Sambad, which means conversation, is also in the works. They also confirm that these apps are being developed completely by the government of India. Now the question arises how to sign up for Sandesh app. You initially need to download the Sandesh app on your mobile device. It is available for download in an APK file for smartphones running on Android 5.0 and above through the government's GIMS portal. For iOS users, the app is available for download through the App Store and is compatible with iPhone, iPad and iPod Touch running on at least iOS 12.0. Once downloaded, you can sign up on the Sandesh app using your mobile number or email ID. The app will send you a 6-digit OTP for authentication. Email IDs are restricted to government IDs only. If you try to sign up with Gmail, Hotmail or other email account, you will see a notice that emails from that domain are not allowed. Even government-related accounts like @mygov.in accounts are also not accepted. Only official @gov.in emails can be used to register with the app. Otherwise, you will have to use your phone number. You can also edit your profile or select your status upon signing up on the Sandesh app. All this works similar to how you can update your profile on WhatsApp. So what's the difference between Sandesh and WhatsApp? Although the government's Sandesh app carries many similarities with WhatsApp, there are some notable differences too. The major difference is the option to sign up using your email ID on the Sandesh app. For now, at least this is restricted to government officials who can use their @gov.in email IDs to sign in. This function isn't there at all on WhatsApp though, and everyone needs a phone number to sign up on the Facebook-owned messaging platform. The Sandesh app also supports verified accounts for government employees. WhatsApp, on the other hand, doesn't have verified accounts for any individuals. The other notable change that you'll see on Sandesh app is the option to send chat backups to your user preferred external locations, including email. This isn't the case with WhatsApp, where you can only back up your chats to Google Drive if you are Android users or iCloud if you use iPhone. The Sandesh app also doesn't allow users to change their numbers or email IDs once signed up. This means that you will stick to your mobile number or email ID that you used for signing up to continue to use this app. Alternatively, you can delete your account and then create a new account with a different number or email ID. WhatsApp, in contrast, has a dedicated change number feature to let you easily move from an old phone number to a new one without deleting your profile. There is also an option to synchronize contacts and add new contacts who are already on the platform. You can't invite new users to join, but anyone can just download the app and join. The government has not yet provided any clarity on how it is planning to use Sandesh, but nonetheless, given the features the app currently has and its scope being a government platform, it could be adopted by individuals against global messaging apps including WhatsApp, Telegram, and Signal. The government is already asking its employees to use the Sandesh app for their official communication. However, it is to gain popularity among the public. So this is everything we know so far about this new messaging application Sandesh. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. If you really find this video useful, then don't forget to hit the like button and please support us by subscribing to Phone Politics. Also follow us on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. The links are in the description. So see you guys in the next video. Bye.